If you want to view Chrome cookies, maybe for troubleshooting, checking stored site data, or understanding how a website is keeping you signed in, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple way. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and browser tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots. This is the main Chrome menu, where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will open Chrome's full settings page, where you can manage privacy, security, passwords, and site data. On the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. This section contains all the controls related to cookies, browsing data, permissions, and how websites store information on your device. Next, look for third-party cookies or cookies and other site data, depending on your version of Chrome. Click that option to open the cookie settings page. This is where Chrome lets you manage how websites store and use cookie data. Now, to actually view the data, click See All Site Data and Permissions. This will show you a list of websites that have stored data in your browser. You can review every site that has saved cookies, permissions, and related site information. Once you're in that list, you can scroll through the sites, search for a specific website, and inspect which sites are saving data in Chrome. This is especially useful if you're trying to find login-related cookie data, clear a problem site, or simply understand what has been stored in your browser. If you need to remove anything later, you can do that from the same area. But for now, this section is the easiest place to view all site data in Chrome. And that's it. You now know how to view Chrome cookies using Chrome's built-in settings. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more browser tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.